Welcome. Today's class we are going to see grade 7 lesson 1 Kilte or Kelte fool. Kilte means bloom or Kelte play. You already know the fool means flower. So the poet described the flowers children's as a flowers and pillars of the future. Pillars of the futures. So children should have that patriotism and move forward toward the developments, do something for our countries. So through the poems, the poet like to say this only. So before बच्चे राष्ट्र का भविष्य है. बच्चे children are the future of nations. Future भविष्य, future राष्ट्र nation. वे परिश्रम से उन्नति करते हुए आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे. So they do the developments by their hard works and they move forward, go ahead. भारत माता के देश सेवक और सिपाही साथ रहें. So for our motherland, they are become a server. They are become a servant and soldiers. Servers and soldiers. यही कवि की कामना है. So this is a wishes for the poet. It is the wishes. Children are the future of nations, and they do the development by their hard work and go ahead. For the motherland, they are the servant and the soldiers. So यह पाठ सिखाता है. This lesson teaches. राष्ट्र ध्वज का सम्मान करना. Give the respect to the national flag. ध्वज flag सम्मान करना, respect. उन्नति के पद पर बढ़ना. उन्नति, already see here unnati means development. So move the path of development, go ahead the path of development. मिलजुल कर काम, मिलजुल कर रहना, live together रहना, live मिलजुल कर together, परिश्रम में विश्वास करना. परिश्रम hard work. Here we also already see in the here परिश्रम. Hard work. So now go to the poem Kilte or Kelte fool. So flowers, how the flowers are blooming and playing. How the flowers are the blooming and playing with the wind. On the wind it's playing and blooming. भारत माता का भविष्य हो. You are future of India, future of motherland, India. Now युग के तुम नए शिष्य हो. You are a new discipline. You are a new student. शिष्य, student or discipline of new era, modern age, new era. युग, age or era. शिष्य, student or discipline. बढ़ो भारती के अंचल में हर दिन दुने रात चौगने. बढ़ो भारती के अंचल में करते motherlands सारी एज आंचल, others सारी एज आंचल में हर दिन तूने रात चौगुनी. यू हर दिन तूने रात चौगुनी. Day and night 4 times. You move forward, go ahead. बढ़ो, go ahead. जीवन की डाली पर झूल, जीवन की डाली पर, the branch of life. You are a swing, you are a swing. You swing on the, you swing on, swing on branch of life. You swing on branch of life. नभ में पकड़ते सदा तिरंगा, नभ नभ sky, on sky the three colors flag always fly on the sky, always fly on the sky. बगती रहे देश मेरा गंगा. So the Ganga river Gangas flow on the countries, flow on the countries, flow on the countries. भारत की सतरंगी धरती, सतरंगी धरती, हर भारतवासी की माता. So this Ganga river flow on the countries. India's 7 type of colors, seven type of landscape. Satrangi, 7 type of colors. Dharti, land. So the river Ganga flow on the countries. India's 7 type of lands. हर भारतवासी की माता. इसे कभी मत जाना भूल. हर भारतवासी की माता, इसे कभी मत भूल जाना. Don't forget. Every Indians don't forget this one. Which ones? Always three colors fly on the skies, and the Ganga river flow on the India's 7 type of lands. So this one every Indians don't forget. कभी पराई आस ना करना, पराई आस ना करना, कभी पराई आस ना करना. Don't like others things, don't desire, don't be captured, don't be chase others things. मेहनत से अपना घर भरना. To fill your home with your hard work. अपना घर भरना means fill. बंधु पसीने के चौकर तुम देखोगे सोना उगलेगा. So droplets of sweat, बंधु droplet, पसीने sweat. You saw the droplet of sweat, and we'll see the sprouting of gold. Sona, gold. Sona have 2 meanings. Here you note it. Sona means to sleep, and another one meaning gold. Another means gold. So spotting out the gold. You can see the spotting gold. When you do the hard work and see the sweating, droplets of sweatings, that will spot out the gold. इस धरती की मिट्टी धूल. So spot out the gold, the land, soil, dust of soils will spot out the gold. So you hard work on the field. Hard work on the field. सदा बांट कर खाना भाई. सदा always बांट कर share. Always share and eat. कभी ना करना बुरी कमाई. Never earn the bad pays. Bad the illegal earnings. बुरी, illegal or bad. Bad or illegal. हंसकर फूल खिलाते, गाते, खिल मिलकर रहना जीवन में. So जीवन में, life, in a life, you live together like a flowers, smiling flowers and bloomings and singing flowers. Like you also be live together. पद में कभी ना बोना सूल. So don't serve, don't serve the throne on the path. Don't serve the throne on the path. That means don't give up difficulties or disturb or troubles to others. Don't give the disturb or troubles to others. पद में कभी ना बोना soul throne. So don't throw the throne on the path. बोली मीठे बोल आज से arms. Here am means am also have two meanings. Am we already know one meaning, familiar meaning mango, and another one meaning is common. Am, mango and common. Meaning is here am से मीठे बोलो मीठे बोल am से. So you talk sweetly like mangoes or common days. आंग चुराना नहीं काम से. So don't be escape. Don't escape by your work. Escape from your work. Escape from your eye points. भारत माता की संतानम सेवक और सिपाही बनना. So you are the children of. You are a children or kings of. You are a kings. संतानम kings. You are kings of motherland, India, mother of India. So you become a soldier or servant. You become a soldier or servant for the countries. हर दुश्मन के लिए bubbles. You become a cactus. That is a plant cactus. You should become a cactus for enemies only. Cactus for enemies only, not for the common peoples. So children, I hope you maybe understand these poems. Now we go to that book exercise. Now, nub. First one, nub. Naya. Now, Naya. Shishya, student, discipline. Dune, double. Dune, double. Dali, branch. Dali, branch. Nub, sky. Now, Naya. Nub, sky. Satrangi, of 7 colors. Parayi, of others. As, hope. पद दे सूर throne. दिन दुने रात चौगुने बढ़ना, बहुत उन्नति करना. Give the too much of development. दिन दुने रात चौगुने बढ़ना. Daytime twice and night times. Night 4 times. Day 2 times and the night 4 times. Improve. That means to improve much more. घर भरना, धन जमा करना. So store save the money. घर भरना, save the money. अंक चुराना, काम से कतरना, संकोच करना. Hesitate, काम से कतरना, संकोच करना. Hesitate. अंक चुराना means hesitate or escape from a work. कभी किसी नब में सदा पकड़ता देखना चलता है. What would the poet like to see on the sky always? See on the sky always. तिरंगा झंडा को. Three-color flag. So instead of the question words, you write the answer word only. कभी तिरंगा झंडा को नब्बे में सदा पकड़ता दिखना चलता है. पकड़ता flag train. पकड़ता flag train. फ्लैटर और फ्लैट ट्रेन. कैसी कमाई ना करने को कहा गया था. How could not earn the monies. बुरी कमाई, illegal earnings. बुरी कमाई ना करने को कहा गया है. Instead of Kaisi, you write only the Buri. The Kamai, there itself answer. So you write only the answer. Word Buri, Buri Kamai ना करना. हमें किससे अंक नहीं छुड़ाने चाहिए. Which we can't, we won't escape. Which we won't escape by work. किससे? काम से. अंक नहीं चुराना. अंक चुराना means hesitate or escape from a work. कवि ने किसके लिए बबल बनाने की कहा? To whom we want to be a cactus. किसके लिए? Instead of किसके लिए you write दुश्मन के लिए. For enemies. To whom? For enemies. भारत माता का भविष्य किसे कहा गया है? To whom this poet said the India's futures. To whom the poet says the India's futures. भारत माता का भविष्य नंगे बच्चों को कहा गया है. Young children's like you, young children are the future of India. Next question. कवि ने भारतवासियों की माता किसे कहता है? To whom भारतवासियों की? To whom the poet called the mother of Indians. कवि ने सतरंगी धरती को भारतवासियों की माता कहता है. मदरलैंड. That means देश. कवि ने सतरंगी धरती को. सतरंगी 7 colors of landscape. 7 colors of landscape. हमें कैसे आचरण नहीं करना चाहिए? What would not like to practice. हमें अंक नहीं चुराना, बुरी मार्ग कमाना जैसे आचरण नहीं करना चाहिए. We won't do the practice of hesitate of work and illegal earnings. अंक नहीं चुराना, बुरी मार्ग कमाना, बुरी कमाई. So you can use that बुरी कमाई and अंक नहीं चुराना. Here they have a comma. Next question. इस कविता हमें क्या संदेश देती है? What message does this poem give us? What message does the poem give us? यह कविता हमें परिश्रम करना, मिलजुल कर रहना का संदेश देता है. So this poem gives us the message of hard work and live together. Next one, do it as your life, your ways. Read the meanings and write appropriate lines or the same from poems. सदा मेहनत करना, कभी किसी दूसरे के धन की इच्छा मत करना. So these 2 lines you taken from a poem से दे. परिश्रम करना और दूसरों की चीजों को चुरा ना लेना. So this one you taken from poems itself. Next one, rhyming words. भविष्य, future, शिष्य, student. करना, do, भरना, fill. तिरंगा, 3 colors, गंगा, river. जूल, bull. Jewel, throne, bull, jewel, swing, bull, forget. I said the 2 meanings, common or mango, calm, work. Bayi, brother, kamayi, yen. Next, synonyms and write it. Full, flower, pushp, suman, nab, sky, आकाश, आसमान. पृथ्वी, भूमि, तारा. भूमि, Dara. Pad, Rag, Rasta. Mata, Janani, Amba. Janda, Padaka, Dwaj. Padaka, Dwaj. Next one, spelling systems. Jeevan. Spelling system, first write the words only, letters from the given words. Letters from the given words. Jeevan, for example, Jeevan. Ja, space it, and Ba, space, Na. Now add the word matras in that. Each letters. Ja, E matras, so E vowels. Then Ba, A matras. And Na also have a matras. So this is spelling systems. You write the given words without the matras and identify the vowels. Which vowels include that make this matras. Next, underline the common nouns and write it. जीवन की डाली पर जोड़. जीवन की डाली पर जोड़. The branch, डाली, branch. व्यक्ति, जातिवाचक संज्ञा, जातिवाचक स्थान या वस्तु की पूरी जाति बोधक हो. So common noun is a meaning of any place name, any place or any animals. Animals group, animals group. तुम देखोगे सोना उगलेगी. तुम देखेंगे सोना उगलेंगे. हंसकर फूल खिलाते गाते. आंख चुराना नहीं काम से. Ank. So these are the common nouns. If you want to know more about this nouns, please comment it. We will see on the another one videos. Thank you.